If you're living on extremely low income, it can be a challenge to make ends meet and still maintain a decent standard of living. But with a little bit of creativity and discipline, it is possible to live frugally and stretch your budget further. In this video, we'll be sharing 10 frugal living tips that can help you get by on an extremely low income. These tips will focus on ways to reduce your expenses, save money on everyday purchases, and make the most of your resources. By adopting these strategies, you'll be able to live comfortably on an extremely low income and still have money left over for your financial goals. Seek out government assistance programs. Many government programs are available to help those with low incomes, such as SNAP, Supplemental Nutrition Assistance Program, for food assistance, and LIHAP, Low-Income Home Energy Assistance Program. For energy assistance, use cash instead of credit. Credit card interest and fees can add up quickly, making it difficult to get ahead financially. Try to use cash as much as possible to avoid racking up debt. Shop at thrift stores and garage sales. You can often find gently used items at a fraction of the cost of new ones at thrift stores and garage sales. Barter or trade services. Consider trading your skills or services with others in exchange for goods or services you need. This can be a great way to save money and build community. Take advantage of free resources. There are many free resources available to those with low incomes, such as libraries, community centers, and churches. Look for ways to access these resources to save money on entertainment and education. Use a budget planner or app. A budget planner or app can help you track your expenses and identify areas where you can cut back. There are many free options available online or as apps. Shop for groceries in bulk. Buying in bulk can save you money on items that you use frequently, such as non-perishable food items, cleaning supplies, and personal care items. Use coupons and discounts. Coupons and discounts can add up to significant savings over time. Look for coupons and discounts on everything from groceries to clothing to entertainment. Cut back on dining out. Eating out can be expensive, especially if you're living on extremely low income. Consider cooking at home more often to save money on meals. Repair rather than replace. Instead of replacing items that are broken or worn out, try to repair them instead.